Okay, today we have my grandbaby Ashton. Say hello.
Hello.
We are making gingerbread man cookies. So he called me and told me he wanted gingerbread cookies. So he brought the stuff with him from you, so y'all for me make them. So this is what we're using.
The rolling pin.
We have a rolling pin. So what we need is
the sugar.
This is the sugar is in the mix. So we need the butter.
I need to mix it. Let me just that sugar.
This is butter.
The butter.
This is butter.
I'm gonna take the spoon. I'll take the spoon.
That's an egg.
I'll take the spoon. I'll take the spoon.
Huh? Okay, now take the egg. You know how to do the egg?
Let me open it.
You gotta crack it. Wait, not like that. No. Hit it right here. Crack it. You mix the sugar, the water, and the egg. So it's 1 stick of butter,
Let me mix it
1
up.
egg,
I'm gonna mix it
1
up.
tablespoon of water.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Okay, so we're gonna mix it.
I'm gonna mix it.
Come on. Turn the mixer on.
No, my gingerbread. Cause I'm yummy.
Yes, yummy.
Yes.
Y'all, see that grin on his face.
It's so fun. It's so fun.
It's so fun. Yes, it is. Until it's well blended. Now keep on mixing it.
That's gingerbread. That's brown. That's brown.
Yeah, it's brown.
No. Grandma.
Okay, now wait a minute. Okay, we gotta let now roll it flat.
Oh,
No. You can't roll it yet. You gotta get it flat. Uh-oh, I don't have enough flour on there. You gotta put enough flour so it won't stick.
yeah. I put flour.
He bit that cut up, but I tried to set it back. Ashton, don't bend it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't say I'm sorry. It's my apology.
My father, I'll put the cookie cutter.
Oh, 1 second.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine.
I'm sorry.
Stop saying that.
I'm going to put the cookie cutter.
Okay.
My son.
Let's go all the way. Oh, Okay. Let's make another one.
Okay. It's 2.
Okay. So we're gonna pull this up.
It's so cute.
Hold on.
I not broke it. No. It's so yummy. It's so wet. I'm gonna put the queen on your mouth.
I think it's too soft.
It's so yummy.
Oh, the head messed up. Oh, shoot.
Uh-huh.
They said if it's too soft, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. We'll be back. Yeah, there go our finished product. Our gingerbread man. So that was our project for me and my grandson this weekend. Happy Memorial Day.